Based on your responses during setup, Ability Level 2 has the tools to meet your current communication needs. This level focuses on expanding communication in daily activities. Let's take a look at the tools available to you at Level 2. We'll start with topics. You are encouraged to pick 10 at Level 2. The topic picture helps set the topic for you and your communication partners. Below the topic picture are general messages about the topic, while messages about subtopics are found by selecting the hotspots in the visual scene layout or tabs in the grid layout. Just select any of the messages here to speak them. They're organized in columns. Questions.
What else do we need?
General comments and requests.
More, please.
Positive comments.
It looks good.
And negative comments.
This really tastes bad.
Remember that you can personalize them by editing them or adding your own. Quickfires are next. These little words will help you communicate quickly in conversation.
Dad, come here. All right, don't.
Quick phrases are messages we say in social situations. At Level 2, you'll focus on personal needs,
I need to take a break.
greetings and social messages, and feelings. You can draw or write on the whiteboard using your finger, pictures, maps, or whatever you like to get your message across. Here's your alphabetical keyboard. Core is set up so that you can start learning how to combine single words with each other, but you can always add or take away sets of words from Core in your Levels menu if that would be more beneficial. Word lists are next. In each topic, you'll see lists of words related to that topic. We call these topic words. You get to all word lists from here or from your toolbar here. Next to topic words, you'll see supports and scripts. Scripts provide a model for how conversation might work in this topic. Supports are samples of positive behavior supports like first-thens and mini-schedules related to the topic. Before we review, it's important to keep in mind that all of these tools can be personalized for your particular needs. That's it for Level 2. It offers tools, topics, and messages to expand communication. So what's next? Spend some time exploring these tools. Get used to them. Use them to interact with other people. If you need some more information, check out more Level 2 videos. If you're ready for more topics and messages in topics and quick phrases, and more words in word lists and quickfires, and to try out a QWERTY keyboard, you might decide to move on to Level 3. But you could also decide to stay right here at Level 2.